So now I'm going to be replacing the ignition switch. The first thing first, I'm going to be removing this side panel right here to get to this wiring, hot shot wiring. Don't be lazy, don't skip on unhooking that one wire. Usually it's a negative. So there is on the bottom, there's this two clips, bolts, whatever they are. I will have to drill them out, one on the one side and there's another one on the other side, as you can see, and that's what holding the lock. Basically those two things, they go in right here, one here, one here, and they hold in the entire ignition switch. So I was fighting this lock for quite some time. So I was drilling, cutting, hitting, hammering. Probably 2 hours of battling. Oh boy, it wasn't easy. It was super hard actually. This bolt, last bolt. Oh boy, it was tough. As you can see, this bolt is freaking smashed, killed pretty much. I was kind of turning like this. I cut so much drill. I use this saw. Oh boy, it was freaking tough work. Here's another bolt. I already unscrewed with the pliers. Oh yeah, I was cutting, bitting. Yeah, I would not want to do this again. We did it! Okay, let's test it out. Ooh, works, huh?